Hi there, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to look at how you can install the very good text editor, which means the Sublime Text editor in Kali Linux. This is very simple. First, you need to go to your browser, which is Firefox. You can use any browser, and Sublime Text, type it on your browser and click download, and then you can see the Linux repos available. In here, if you want to download specifically for Kali or Ubuntu, you can go with Debian version, or if you're downloading this into Red Hat or Fedora, something like that, you can go with RPM package management. Here I have already downloaded this one into my virtual machine, which is Kali Linux, and we're gonna do the installation. First, we need to navigate to the downloaded location before we do the installation, and then when you go there, open your terminal here, and then you can list file. Yes, it's there. And then I'm going to do sudo dpkg-i and Sublime Text. Then I'm gonna extract the file, and then you can do the ls. I think it's done. You can do sub L and press enter, then it will open the Sublime Text. It says new version available. You can install the new version if you want, otherwise you can use this one. This is a really good text editor. If you're happy to use Notepad++, you can use the Notepad++ as well, but this is my go-to text editor. Pretty much easy. And that is it. I hope this video is useful. If you like the videos like this, please leave a comment in the comment section what videos you need. Also give it a subscribe and like as well. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.